The interview may be over, but your opportunity to leave a lasting impression isn't. A well-crafted follow-up email can reinforce your qualifications, show professionalism, and keep you on the employer's radar. Many candidates neglect this step, missing a valuable chance to stand out. This lecture will cover how to write a compelling follow-up email that expresses appreciation, highlights key takeaways, and strengthens your candidacy. Today, we will learn what to include, common mistakes to avoid, and how to structure your email for maximum impact. Objectives of the lecture. By the end of this lecture, you will be able to understand the importance of follow-up emails in the hiring process, structure a professional and concise follow-up email, highlight key strengths without repeating your entire interview, avoid common mistakes that can weaken your message, why follow-up emails matter. Employers often interview multiple candidates in a short time. A well-written thank you email can boost your chances of getting hired, as many employers view it as a sign of professionalism and genuine interest. A follow-up email shows appreciation for the interviewer's time, reinforces your strengths and key qualifications, expresses continued interest in the role, provides an opportunity to clarify or expand on any points. How to structure your follow-up email. Your email should be brief, professional, and personalized. Use this simple structure: subject line. Keep it clear and professional. For example, thank you for the interview. Your name. Opening, express gratitude. Start with a polite thank you and mention the interview date and position. For example, dear interviewer's name, thank you for taking the time to speak with me about the assistant manager position at XYZ Company. I truly enjoyed learning more about the team and the exciting work you're doing. Middle, reinforce your strengths. Briefly remind them why you're a great fit, referencing a key skill or discussion point from the interview. For example, our conversation about specific topic reinforced my enthusiasm for this opportunity. With my experience in mention relevant skills or experience, I'm confident I can contribute to mentioned company goal or project. Closing. Express continued interest and next steps. End on a strong note by reiterating your excitement and politely inquiring about the next steps. For example, I am excited about the possibility of joining company name and contributing to your team. Please let me know if there's anything else I can provide to assist in your decision-making. I look forward to hearing about the next steps. Signature. End with a polite closing and your contact details. For example, best regards, your full name, your email, your phone number. Common mistakes to avoid. Too generic. Avoid vague messages like, thanks for the interview. I look forward to hearing from you. Instead, personalize it based on your conversation. Too long. Keep it concise. 3 to 5 sentences are enough. Employers are busy and don't have time for lengthy emails. Grammatical errors. A typo in a follow-up email can create a negative impression. Proofread before sending. Being too aggressive. Avoid pushing for an immediate decision. Respect the hiring process. Not sending it soon enough. Send your follow-up within 24 hours of the interview.